guys, welcome to JoJo's video, and today we're making pancakes.
Thank you.
So today we're doing the no senses challenge. I won't hear nothing and put music on the headphones. She will be mute. Her eyes will be closed. She won't see nothing, and she'll be doing the same thing I'm doing.
But you can still talk.
Yeah, he can still talk.
Okay. Do you?
Okay. Okay, let me connect.
Okay. Mama, muziki wasikie?
Gani chini.
Wait, she's connected to me?
Okay.
No, wait. I hear
them.
yours.
Okay, so mama ako na yangu.
Oh.
But I cannot see them here.
It's aircon.
Ku TV. Kimi.
Hey.
Dawa kileta hiyo pale.
Mama kufanya challenge.
AirPod.
Bring that.
Unaelewa kweli?
Muziki.
Leah, you know how to make pancakes, right?
Yeah.
So you are gonna be the one who's talking. The mic is right here. I'm not gonna take the mic no more. So you have to tell me what to do, but I can't see.
Okay.
You tell me Ray what to do, but she can't talk.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. Make sure you can't hear me too. Not cheating, yeah.
You don't even know what's this called.
Yeah. God damn, basi.
Do you see Sam? No, bro, you see Sam.
I can't see you. I can't see for real.
Do you hear music? Dawa chini.
Mama, can you hear music?
Yeah, I hear music, but I can still see. I can still hear you. Say something.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay then, good. I don't know if it's good or bad.
I can still hear y'all.
You just were talking too loud.
Bro,
Oh my gosh.
it's just me. I'm ready. Y'all not ready.
I don't even see it.
Mama, why you're not talking? Mama, where you at? Why you not talking?
Wait, I need something to like do this.
Let me see that one. Let me see.
Sounds like a thunderstorm.
Mama, no. Okay, let's just let Mama like that. She can't even speak English, she can't even understand everything. Just let her like that. Take those headphones off. When are gonna mix? Let her go mix up. Let her go make kufanya mu English only. English only.
Okay, anambia.
Okay, then it's okay. Let's go. Cause she's half-headed anyway. There, funga again. Let's do the video right now. Mireille, you are mute, please. Romina shamsidia cameraman. Alikawia. Okay, basi.
It's good?
Wait, yeah.
I can't hear you.
Okay, then.
wait, now I
Basi. Enough. Okay, tell us what to do. Where's she at?
Me?
Where?
Me.
Tell us what to do.
Oh.
Leah, tell us what to do.
Grab the powder.
Where's the powder?
Move towards my voice.
Bro. Mireille. Where's Mireille? Okay.
Can I help them?
Yes, you can help us, but not all the time.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Mama, grab the eggs. Crack it. Put it in here.
Let me crack it.
Yeah.
Cause I
I'm
can't.
not doing it. Bro.
So I'm supposed to do it because I can't see. What? Mix it. Rosamando, mix it.
Okay,
What, Leah?
No, I'm listening to her sign language.
What do you want? Okay, let me mix it.
Oh! They do it.
What?
I'm not talking to you.
Oh. Where's the thing? I can actually mix them myself. I don't need help. What's going on?
Okay, crack the other egg.
Where's the eggs?
Okay, open it.
Where is the thing at? Put my hands. Bro.
It's over here. Move to the left. Left. No, down. Down. No.
There?
Yes.
Okay, now it's what?
We need to mix.
You guys have to add milk too, you know that?
Oh.
What?
Yeah, milk. Put it. Get milk and put it in here. Mama.
Mama, why you not talking? Come over here.
Hey. Yeah. Usha mangika. Hey. We're dead.
Oh shit. What's going on?
Wow.
Maya, fanya gym.
Alright, put the milk in.
Mireya awesikonge.
You mix.
Where am I at?
Go down. Yeah. That's the thing. Girl, mix it harder.
Bro, I can't. Use up. There. Ain't too much bunga, yo.
You're talking to me like I can hear you.
It's too much flowers.
Huh?
Flour.
It's too much?
Yeah. That's enough?
Oh, you're not mixing it right.
Bro.
Oh, the music ended. Oh, wait, now country music came in.
It's good, mama.
Mix.
Big waje. Nick,
Put a little bit more milk. Put milk.
No milk is enough. I can feel it.
She can feel it, guys.
I'm gonna tell Nani butter.
It's turning dry.
It's drying. Put butter.
Huh?
Put this one.
Mama, do you know what you're doing?
Apana, no. Butter.
Butter, mama, butter.
She was trying to put the icing in.
No, yo, ho. Mama, after everything is done, and we cooked it, ready to eat.
Is this enough butter?
That's butter?
Yeah.
What? What do you want?
Apana. Hey, Apana, mama, no. It's not enough butter. It's enough butter.
The butter is enough.
Hey.
Mire, what do you want?
We're cooked, dog. We're good.
Nini yaje kwa kidogo?
Nani
Blue bandy? What? I can't hear you. Speak louder. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yes, keep on mixing. More milk.
Don't add milk.
Look.
Who's adding milk?
It's okay. Hey,
You can see.
It's okay. Mix.
Bro, I'm tired.
You gotta mix, cause I see a little sand. I see sand. Like I see the powder that's not mixed.
That's not sand.
I said powder that's not mixed.
So you mix it, I can't see it. You see the difference? Where you at?
You touching me right now.
Okay, mix it. Oh.
Huh?
Mix it. Oh my gosh.
This does not look right.
Bro. Mire, what you doing? Are you helping?
Yes.
Who's this?
This is mama, bro. She's mixing, bro.
Why you sound like Santa Claus? She said yes. What?
You don't like helping?
No, we
Wow,
didn't
mama,
help.
you're doing a good job.
Mama, you're helping, eh? Yeah. Okay, good. It's too heavy. Yeah, you guys have to add more milk.
Wow, she's actually mixing it good.
Okay, good. It's supposed to be like kinda Not hard, not too soft. Just in the middle. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
That's longer than I thought.
I'm finished, yo.
So what's next, Mama?
Oh.
What's next?
Just keep on mixing. Yeah, keep on mixing.
Ew. That sounds better.
Oh, we need a blender.
No, we don't need a blender.
She can't see you. Why are you putting? Okay.
What? We don't need a blender.
Yeah, it will make it good. Good. Mix.
My
I don't know where it is.
Oh my goodness, yo.
Where's the thing at?
It's right there.
Where are you guys walking around?
How you know we're walking around?
I can feel it. I can hear you guys.
Dang, am I fat?
Big bag. No phones, Mama. If you're doing my video, no, don't answer anybody.
Yeah, Mama, I see you. Hey, put that phone down.
If you answer somebody, you're out of the video. I can do this better than you. Like, ew. Mireille. Oh my.
Where she's coming.
Bro.
We're all here now. Yep, we're here now.
Okay, where's
Mama?
where's the frying pan?
It's over there in the stove.
Can
Wait,
look.
Move your hand. Don't get hurt. Oh! What the freak?
What's that?
A blender.
You guys are making me dirty, man.
It was a sign of hard work.
Bro. That's much better.
Yeah, keep on mixing.
Put it down first and then turn it on. You use your brain. Do it.
Yeah, do it. It looks like oatmeal.
Okay, Leah, turn the thing on.
Oh.
Do we need oil or butter?
We need
Butter, you dumb. Who's this?
This is Leia. Marie's the one over there.
Mire, what you doing? Ah! Bro,
Mix.
this is what you're doing. Turn on the stove.
Dang, I feel like going around.
That's enough, Leah. Turn it off before taking out.
Marie said no.
Mire, with you, where's she at?
She needs,
That's enough.
but it isn't. It doesn't look mixed. Like I can still see the milk.
Add milk then.
I think it's enough milk because they be adding milk a lot.
There's no sugar, no honey, bro. This is gonna be so sour.
Oh yeah, sugar. Get the sugar.
Oh my gosh, I'm hot, dirty. Do everything.
Do sign language.
Do.
Oh, like cover you.
No. That's enough, people.
I can still see the pieces of what's it called? The sugar she just put in.
Oh, you just add sugar?
Yeah.
That's good. You ready? Bro. What? Where do you want me to go?
Ow! Oh! Help her go! Stop!
Bro, what's wrong with you people?
Put the sugar back!
Wait! Where are you guys taking me? I can't cook if I can't see. Are you dumb?
Mommy, for it to cool down.
Put some butter in it.
We gotta wait for it to cool down.
Why? The butter will cool it down. Use your brain.
Calm down.
Don't touch me here. Mira, do you know what you're doing? Huh?
She said yes.
Huh?
She said thumbs up. She said yes. She put it in the butter. Oh no, wait, this.
The big thing. Oh my
Is that
gosh.
too like?
Put some butter.
Yeah, they already put butter. Marie's putting the pancakes in. You need to flip it.
How can I flip it?
It's okay, use your
Move.
stick.
Move. Is he ready to flip?
Huh? No?
Okay then. Wait then.
No, why?
Bro, wait. I said wait. Wait.
We're waiting. You know, you can know.
Where's she at? You big monkey. Bro. You have to do this.
Flip it? No.
Huh?
Wait. And yeah, wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just
What she saying?
2, 1, 11, mine. Huh? What happened?
Bro, is he ready? Bro.
It's not ready. She said it's not ready.
Bro.
You can know.
What is this?
Get away.
Why would you even do that?
I could go in my system and not trying to give a fuck. Ooh!
Wipe it.
Hey!
You burned it. Did you burn it?
No.
Wipe me.
I didn't burn it.
Ew. The water's good.
Turn you on.
Where you at? Let me just use your clothes. No, not mine. Okay, let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay. Take us closer. Come closer. Come closer. And then you need to put it in the plate. The plate has water.
Bro, what's the thing? There?
And then like carry it a little forward and no!
What happened?
You dropped it.
Oh shit.
No, not on the floor, but like
Put it. Yeah. Put some butter in it.
easy. Where I've been.
Put more butter.
Exactly, that's what I'm doing. The butter. I feel like Gordon Ramsay, bro.
Why are you moving around? Come here. Let me ask you something. Is the pancake big?
No.
Yeah?
No, it's like a regular size. It's like a regular size.
Regular?
Regular. Okay, like
Oh my gosh, bro. Regular.
Regular.
Oh God. Okay, never mind.
I'm saying what you're saying.
No, you're saying regular. It's regular.
Oh.
Like, can you say graduation? Leia!
Huh?
Say it. What? Leia, say it.
I can't hear you.
Say it.
I can't hear you.
Say graduation. You.
Huh? No, touch me. I'm not gay.
Nigga,
Yeah,
I can't even see you. What do you want in you too? What's this? Oh. What?
You gotta flip it. And it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. Okay, there you go. It's like I'm teaching a sped kid to walk.
Why you guys laughing? What is it? What is it?
Bro, cause it's okay. Let's be romantic.
Okay, no, don't be romantic with me. Okay, it's right here.
No, yeah, we're cooked.
Okay, where is it?
Okay, so turn it to the right. Turn it to the right.
This is my right.
Hey, L.
This is my right.
Flip it. It's gonna burn. Loser. That young murder. Yes. It's backwards. Yes. It's like. Okay.
Oh. There?
Yeah. Now flip it. Hold this. Flip it.
Bro.
You're doing a good job. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Is it over?
No, just leave it. It needs 1 minute to cool the other to bake, like to cook the other side. Yeah.
So I flipped it.
So wow, your book is long.
Is it ready? Mireille, is it ready?
Yes, it's good. Why are you showing it to her like? Wait, no. 1 more minute. Oh yeah, flip it. What is she doing?
I'm trying to find it. It's ready?
Yeah. Just drop it.
Where's the other one?
You told us to.
Where's the other one?
But there's stuff on the thingy. It's okay. Today? Okay. Guys, let's do our big ones with this next pancake. We're finna eat this pancake up. Like listen to the directions like you're listening to. Oh!
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
They're putting the butter. Take your thing. They haven't even put. Take it. Don't. Hold it right.
Is it ready? Wait.
No, it's not.
Look, I can fit it.
No, this is not.
This is the right way. This feels much better than this.
Okay.
This
You
is.
do you then. This pancake is gonna be the beautifulest one. The one that we worked hard on. The best one out of all of them.
Bro.
It's not even ready yet. It's not ready to flip. I just put it in.
Why you keep walking, bro? Big back.
Oh!
What?
Nothing.
What you gonna do? Where's she at?
You just.
I can fight you, you know that?
She's right there. She's on the other side. She was in the other side. You were
Where's she at? I can fight you, you know that? Don't play with
The
me like
height
that.
difference is crazy.
I don't care, nigga. I can be tall if I want to.
Huh?
I just don't want to be tall.
Eat it.
I just don't want to be tall.
Oh. Wait, no. Wait, make them burn a little bit.
What?
Make them crispy. L, what is it? One. Tiny.
What you trying to say?
To eat. Little. Pancakes. Oh, tiny pancakes. Just pushed it over there. No.
Bro, what is it? I lost it. Mireille.
Because it's.
What happened?
It was out. It was out.
Put it back. It's not ready.
Wait, put it down, put it down.
Why you keep pushing me? Why would you guys do that? We're in the same team, you monkeys.
It was Mireille. Wait, why are we hiding what you gave us here? Stupid. You're so stupid. Why are you running away if you gave us here? That's crazy work.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so dumb, you know that? Where is she at? Are you sure?
Yeah, flip. Flip. It's stuck on your thing. You gotta. Aha! Wow. This is actually the first time.
I did it right, huh?
It's not black like us.
You black, bro. She's black. What? Nini?
Me calm. The pancakes.
What? How many pancakes do we? How many do we have?
Wait. Wait.
How many do we have?
We have 3.
Okay, this is the last one.
Yeah, we have 2. Okay, I think it's time for you to flip it again. It's time for you to flip it and put it in the plate. Wow. I feel so disappointed.
What is it? Take me to it.
In the front. Yep, the plate. No. Okay, put it down. Why you put the whole thing down?
You said put it down, bro. Okay, can
Look
I?
how much stuff we have left.
Can I see? Can I see?
We gotta make big.
First. Give me the cream.
Wait, hold on. Let me stack it.
You're supposed to do that a long time ago. I need a spoon.
We're supposed to put a little piece of butter right here. She's trying to take. Okay. My super man.
Where's the butter?
The butter. She just put. No, you're supposed to put the sour cream.
Bro! Where's the thing yet?
What? This is the pancakes. That has the butter, and then you're supposed to put the sour cream.
You're supposed to put the butter on the sour cream.
Huh?
Are you dumb?
What? She put the butter.
No, it's cream first and then butter.
She said she quits. She's American. She said I'm American and I quit.
Who cares? Where's the thing at? There?
We gotta pick it up because you didn't even put it on the. You didn't put it on the thing. Yep.
There?
Yep. Yeah, but it's still on the spoon. You gotta shake it up a little bit. Yup.
We need more?
Say yeah? We need more sour cream? Yeah, okay. No, it tastes good.
Yes? It's not a sour cream, you dumb. It's a cream. Test it.
I've been tasting it.
So let's put more.
Yeah, let's put more.
Ew. Stop talking. Okay, where's the pancakes?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, put it down. Put it on the pancakes.
It's not coming off.
Like Can you bang it on the thingy like this? I can do that too. Okay, it's time for syrup, okay? You gotta spread it on this. Put the syrup on.
Wait, show me where to go, bro.
Yeah, put it down. Just put it down.
There?
Yeah, just spread it around. And the other side too. The other side too. Over here. Oh my God. Get over there. Yup. Okay, that's enough. No.
What you say?
Get a number.
Okay, I'm ready to see it. What's this? I'm ready to see it.
Oh, it's done?
Yes.
I want to go back to the headphones.
Can somebody open me up? Ah, my eyes.
This is.
This is ugly.
It's okay.
Bro, this is ugly as hell.
Yo, let's try it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Where's the spoon? Ew.
If you look at that video, there was a lot of stuff happening when you wasn't looking.
We have to do a timeline.
What's the time? What's the time? The cream's still in.
You guys don't know how. You guys need like the fucking.
No, don't look at that one.
Okay, let me borrow this. Bro, I can't even see.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Okay. Ready? Leo,
Leo, don't use your hands.
I'm gonna get it, bro. Peace.
Are you disabled?
Yeah, this one is black as hell, bro.
3.
You didn't even get no fucking pancake. That's all cream.
No, I did. Do you see this?
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Didn't get no pancakes.
It's kinda good though. It's thick as hell, bro. I told y'all to put more milk. Bro. Oh my gosh.
I did.
Bro, stick.
I told y'all to put more milk, bro.
Bro, I didn't see anything. And there's no sugar.
There's a lot of sugar. Yes, we could come at chapati, bro.
It's a 2.
It's a. You cooked this.
This is so for real.
You cooked this.
I told you to flip it. You flipped it over here. You dropped the one over here.
It's not my fault.
It's not bad, y'all.
Now you just big bag.
I just
Big bag.
No, it's not that bad.
Big bag.
Here from my mom.
Mama, come try it. Quer onde? Ushasirika usirike, unesirikia mwese.
I think we did pretty good. Josephine, you did do most of the work, so this is all you. Really, this is all of you. This is what you did. This is what.
Bro, you guys have to look at this though. Let me see.
No.
I know you was hearing us most of the time because you was replying to everything we were saying.
Look at this. Yeah, burnt everything.
Yeah. Who's y'all?
You guys.
You. You were telling me to flip it and you're not even flipping it.
This is a lot of cream.
But hold on.
Okay.
What I rated?
Yeah.
Yes, to where? Yeah, you got that, bro. Bro.
Okay, go.
Go ahead. Is it already recording?
It is.
Okay, so my rating is.
No, it's because she said your mom told her.
3 out of 10.
3? Leah.
2.
Why 2?
Cause half of it was burnt. Some was not even
All of them are burned.
And others they went through a hard time falling down, going through over there,
Look at your hair.
and it was not even a soak. Like some been beat up, and it don't even taste good. It doesn't even taste that good.
Okay, you why?
Me, because look at that.
Bro!
It's not fully cooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna give this a 5.
Because you did most of the work.
No, I feel like it's better, but it's just too thick. And then the sugar, the cream? It's just like too much cream in here.
No, there's not enough cream.
There is too much cream. It should melt. But there was too much cream on it.
Bro.
I thought she would be
And there's no sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, I didn't put no sugar.
We put a lot of sugar. She put a lot of sugar.
Your mama chop butter, you mingy, bro.
Maybe that's why it's thick.
She puts
But anyways, this is trash. I'm not gonna eat this thing again. But yeah,
I think me and Leia can fix this because that's what we slapped you with. A tortilla.
What?
let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, this on my face,
Guys.
bro. That's so. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching my video. That's the end of this video. that's the end of this video.
Bye, bro.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, goodie.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's it. You guys clean.